Seeing an unexpected error message in Pixlr. Maybe the editor crashes, a feature suddenly stops working, or an error appears when you try to save, upload, or edit an image. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Pixlr unexpected errors in 2026. So let's get started. First, refresh the Pixlr page and try the action again. Temporary glitches can often trigger unexpected errors and may disappear after a quick reload. Pixlr relies on a stable internet connection for many features. If your connection drops or becomes unstable, unexpected errors can appear. Corrupted browser data can interfere with Pixlr's functionality. Clear your cache and cookies, restart the browser, and then open Pixlr again. Some browser extensions can conflict with web applications. Temporarily disable ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers to see if the error disappears. If the error continues, open Pixlr in another browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari may handle certain features differently. Large files and complex projects can sometimes trigger processing errors. Try working with a smaller image or simplifying the project before trying again. Account session problems can occasionally cause unexpected errors. Sign out of your Pixlr account, then sign back in and test the feature again. Using an outdated browser may create compatibility problems. Install any available updates and restart the browser before reopening Pixlr. If your computer is low on memory or processing power, Pixlr may struggle to complete certain tasks. Close unnecessary applications and browser tabs. Sometimes the error comes from Pixlr's servers rather than your device. If there is maintenance, heavy traffic, or a service outage, you may need to wait until things return to normal. I mean, not every error can be fixed locally. And that's how to fix Pixlr unexpected errors in 2026. Most issues can be solved by refreshing the page, clearing browser data, reducing project size, or checking for service outages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.